Hi guys, today we learn uh, gradient and area under a graph part 2. Okay, today we learn about the speed graph. This is a speed graph, distance travel, and rate or chance of speed. Now, if the question asks you, find the distance travel, actually you find the area of the graph, then you can find the distance travel. Before that, make sure the graph is speed graph, okay, and then make sure you know how to find the area of trapezium, square, rectangle, and triangle. For example, this question asks you find the distance travel, and then this shape is trapezium, so we need to use this formula: 1 over 2 times a plus b times height. H is height, so which one is a? This one is a, this one is b. Okay, a b can change, it's okay, and h is here. Okay, like for example of this question, a will be 12, and then b is 20, and then h is 8, and then using your calculator, and then you can find the distance travel. So it means the conclusion here is mean when you find the area of the graph is equal to distance travel. Alright, next one. This is the rectangle. So rectangle will be here times here. So it's 0.95 times 100, and then you get the answer. Alright, next one. This one also is a trapezium. So here is A, and here is B, H is here. So A is 22 minus 10 will be 12, and then B is 25, H is 5, and then you times it, you get the answer. If the question give you the graph like this, better you separate it, become A, part A, B, and C. So you see the working here, got 1, 2, and 3. So here is A, this is area of B, this is area of C. Okay. Part A is a trapezium, so you're using the trapezium formula. B is rectangle. Before that, you need to minus it. Okay, 16 minus 6 will be 10. 10 times 5. Okay. C also is a trapezium, so you're just using the trapezium formula, and then you can get the distance travel. Alright. Next one, rate of change in speed actually is equal to gradient of the graph. If you want to find the rate of change of the speed, actually you find the gradient. For example, this question, okay, they ask you find the first 8 seconds, should be here, but the graph is down. It means your answer will negative. Okay. Reminder is speed you cannot write the negative, but rate of change you need to write the negative. Okay, for example, okay, maybe you don't need to using this working. Okay, gradient is formula, the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So first 8 seconds, y2 is what? 18. Y1 is 32. X2 is 8, and then minus 0. So the answer will be negative. And then the unit of rate of change is ms minus 2. Speed is minus 1. That is a difference. Okay, like how about the question of B? the last 9 seconds. Okay, which one is the last 9 seconds here? Same also go down, so the answer also is negative. But this one, y2 actually is 0 minus y1 is 18 over last 9 seconds. So just write 9, and then you get the answer. Alright, how about this one? Okay, as you find the rate of change of speed during the first 2 seconds here, go down also, so the answer will be negative. And then how? Y2 is 20, sorry, it's 20, minus Y1 is 28. First 2 seconds, just write 2. And then you write, and then you're using your calculator, so the answer will be negative 4 ms minus 2. How about the question of B? Last 4 seconds. Here, 10 minus 6 is 4. So, but this one is uphill, so the answer will be positive. Okay, y2 is 28 minus y1 is 20 over last 4 seconds, so just write down the 4, so the answer will be 2 ms minus 2. So today we only learned 2 things. So the conclusion is, if you want to find the distance travel, you need to find the area of the graph. If you want to find the rate of change, you just find the gradient of the graph. Don't forget, speed, final answer cannot write down the negative, but rate of change, you need to write down the negative if the graph is downhill. So thank you guys.